So we obviously went through a little bit of a rough week in crypto, but I would say that we actually went through a good week for Cardano. More advancements, more developments, moving the chain forward. But there's one key one that actually really stands out to me, and somehow I missed it throughout the week. So I want to talk about this with you guys. Now, obviously, there's been ongoing work on core and technology improvements that we talk about all the time. Ongoing work on the Lace multi-delegation feature, Marlowe documentation functionality and improvements, Hydra node updated to support Cardano node v8.1.2. And then that brings me to the one that I think stands out a lot. And that's this first iteration of SanchoNet, an evolving testnet for CIP 1694's on-chain governance was in fact launched. And this is a big deal because remember, this on-chain governance is a big part of the Voltaire era. This is the start of that transition, getting us to that fully decentralized, self-governing ecosystem that Cardano was originally conceptualized as. Now, obviously, there's still pieces of infrastructure that need to be put in place. There are, things that the Cardano development team, IOG, they're working on right now to help facilitate this transition. And it's going to take a little time, and that's fine, right? I think that on the pace that we're at right now, it's either going to be late this year or early next year that I think start to make that real transition to the Voltaire era, as long as everything, stays on point, right? Right now, all these numbers are looking good. Projects have fallen a little flat. A few more projects starting to build. Pluto Script's obviously moving up. We're in a good spot right now. Now, obviously, this week was I think a major shakeout. That's really what it appears to be. People just some of the big entities trying to shake people out of their positions. But I will say this: I'm impressed at how well Cardano bounced out of this low range and actually dropped down into the high 24s, mid 24s, I believe. But it was only there for minutes. It turned around, it jumped back up, and now we're obviously sitting at about 26.5 cents. So ADA really doesn't want to sit anywhere near 24 cents. The last few times it's gotten to that area, it's bounced right off of it, which is a key point. Now we'll obviously see, because we need some more strength when it comes to BTC. I should have had TradingView pulled up. Anyways, we need some more strength when it comes to BTC. Right now, it's just kind of dinking around, down around like 26K, and it just isn't really making much of a move right now. But don't be surprised if we do in fact see some movement to the upside in the near term. Now, I'm not expecting explosions or anything like that. You got to remember that obviously August and September, they suck for crypto in general. So I'm not surprised that we had some sort of sell-off. But just remember, right now, there's probably some short positions that have been taking up because of the historical relevance of August and September. And if you get some sort of capital inflow into the market, of a significant size, you could see BTC smash through a lot of those shorts, liquidate a lot of positions, and do the same kind of move to the upside that we had to the downside. So that potential is in play. So as always, this is not financial advice. In the meantime, I'm just adding to my bag. I'm trying to get as much as I can during these times because, again, it's always been a long-term play. Once we get to alt season, once we get to the bull market, times will be a lot better. And that's, again, at the same time, we'll see Cardano, I believe, truly finish this self-governing, fully decentralized giant that it's working towards. So I appreciate you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Show your support below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.